Hello everyone, my name is Devan Rajendran and my matrix number will be 25DDT19F1184. Today I'm going to present my practical task 2 set A about the wireless network topology. This is a topology given with one wireless router, one PC, one laptop, one cable modem, one cloud with the name of internet and one server with the name of cisco.com. There are four parts in our practical task 2. Part 1 will be build a simple wireless network. The cloud will be renamed to internet and the other names will be according to the given topology. First is the PC to router with the fast Ethernet and Ethernet 1. The next will be internet to cable modem port 1. For the connection from cable modem to cloud, we will be using the coaxial cable from port 0 to the coaxial 7. And the last connection will be from internet to server. For the next, we will be adding the interface of wireless for the so we can see the adapter is active now. And for the part 2, configure the wireless device. First, we will be starting with the configuring the wireless router. We need to configure the IP address first. We'll be configuring the IP address with the 192.168.10.0, sorry 10.1 IP address, and the subnet mask will be remaining in 255.255.255.0, the /24 subnet mask. Save settings so that we can see the start IP address will be 10.100, and next we'll be configuring the SSID with the name of home network. Save the settings and you can see the connection is gone. Now we need to enable the DHCP so the PC can get the IP address. And for the laptop, we need to enable for the laptop we need to connect the home network. And for the IP address, we need to change to DHCP also. And here we can see the automatically connected 10.101. So for the part 3, configure the network devices. First, we need to configure the internet cloud. We will be configuring the Ethernet 6 to be a cable so that we can use it in the cable. So we can select Ethernet 6 and coaxial 7, and adding will be add the ports. So the next we need to configure in the server. So the server name will be cisco.com. And for the services, we need to enable the DHCP with the name DHCP pool. The default gateway will be 208.67.220.220. Same goes to the DNS server. and the start IP would be 208.67.220 and 220, sorry, 1. Subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0, and we need to add the TCP. Here we can see the new one is added. For the next, we need to configure the DNS. DNS service will be on and the name will be cisco.com. And next we need to configure the IP address 208.67.220.220, and also need to add. Here we can see the A record. So we need to configure the interfaces. For the default gateway, we'll be using the 208.67.220.1, and the DNS server will be 208.67.220.20, and that's for the global setting. For the fast Ethernet setting, we need to configure the 208.67.220.220. Subnet mask will be remained the same, and that's all for the cisco.com. We also need to renew the DNS by clicking the IP address renew button. So here we can see the IP address, and in the PC we need to also renew the IP address, ipconfig release and ipconfig renew. So we can see the new IP addresses with the DNS server also, and for the laptop. And there we go, 10.100 and 10.101. So the next will be test connectivity to the cisco.com server from PC and laptop. Cisco.com server will be, we can use the command ping cisco.com. As we can see, the laptop can ping with the cisco.com, and same goes to the PC. So the completion rate is 100%. We can also ping using the web browser, also the cisco.com. And there we go. And the last part will be test connectivity from PC and laptop. So the PC and the PC and laptop has to be pinging each other. And finally, we can also ping from PC to laptop. So that will be the end of the practical task 2. Thank you for watching.